Hello. I was just washing some fruit and thought to do this little post-transplant routine that I got into. My wife found this fancy container, of course, but she also found this mixture, 50% water, 50% white vinegar, that helps clean off the fruits and vegetables, and it does not change their flavor. So you get that extra little bit of clean. It's really nice on broccoli and lettuces and stuff as well. You know, just cleaning them up. Over here, cold water. Now, the reason I destem all of these at once, especially, is because when I want something, I just want to have easy access to it, and things don't go bad as frequently. And another little tip I picked up, which is to invest in a good salad spinner. Because when I store these in the refrigerator after washing them, there's a lot of condensation that gets all over them. Another thing I might add is you saw my hand towel here. Up here on the counter, we have a separate towel. And this is for clean, washed with soap hands only, to keep that clean. And this is to wipe stuff, grab stuff, dry hands quick in the middle of things. So, a lot more dry. Got our container here. And also, what I've found is to help with that condensation, I use a paper towel. There we go. And I can put them in the fridge. Condensation gets absorbed. Depending on how quick I eat them, I may have to change it out. All right. Have a great day.